polygon is a two-dimensional closed figure made up of the straight line segment, and these line segments are called as the sides, and they meet at a point is called as the vertices. Polygons can have any number of sides, minimum of 3. The sides do not cross each other. Here, what is the meaning of polygon? Means a polygon is a two-dimensional. Two-dimensional means it has the only x and y axis. Like if it is the edges of this paper, this is the two-dimensional. It doesn't have any three-dimensional. See, if I take the matchbox, this is the three-dimensional. It has the base, height, and length. It has the three-dimensional base, length, and height. If it is two-dimensional, means it has only base and length. It is called as the two-dimensional. Okay. If I take this matchbox surface, the upper surface, then it is called as the. If I take only upper surface, it will call as the two-dimensional. Okay. The polygon is a. You need to understand the polygon is a two-dimensional geometrical figure, and it is made with the straight lines, not curve shape. It is made with the straight lines, and it should be a closed figure. It should be a closed figure. Means the vertex is connected end to end. The vertex is connected end to end. If I draw like this, I will draw like this. It is not called as a polygon. It's not polygon because the vertex are not connected end to end. It's not closed. Otherwise, in a simple words, you can tell it it's not closed. Closed means it should be like that. It is the closed. Okay, and it should be the polygon should be drawn with the straight line. If suppose I draw like this, it's the two edges are here straight lines, but this one edge is here curve shape, so it is not polygon. It's a not polygon. Okay, and the edges don't cross each other. Suppose I will draw the diagram like this. See a star here, the edges AB, and this is here give the name CD. AB edges AB and CD are cross each other, so this is not called polygon. Polygon means it's a closed figure drawn with the straight line segment. It is called as the polygon. Okay, for polygon means you need to remember here it is a 2D. It is 2D geometrical figure. It is a 2D geometrical figure. First point, and second point it is drawn with a straight line, and third point it should be a closed figure. Closed figure. Should be a closed figure. It should not be open like this. It should not be open. It should not be cross the edges here, and it should not be curved. Okay, these are called as the polygons. Now we will see the types of polygon. Polygon minimum it has the 3 edges. They told minimum it has the 3 edges. Why? Because using the 2 edges, we don't supposed to make it as a closed figure. See here, you can try this one. Using only 2 sides, you close the figure. It's not plausible only. To close the diagram, to close the figure, we need at least 3 edges. So the polygon has minimum 3 edges, and it is maximum you can take up to infinity. Okay, the polygon can have any number of sides, minimum of 3, and sides do not cross each other. Sides should not be cross each other like this. Okay, and this line segments we have to call as the line segment. We have to call as the sides. It is called as the sides, and this vertex. This is a they meet at point. They meet at point is called as the vertex. Where they meet at the sides, where they meet at the point, it is called as the vertex. Okay. Now we need to remember these points in the polygon. The polygons are closed shapes with the straight sides. Okay, it's a closed figure, closed diagram with the straight sides, and the sides are connected end to end to form a vertices. It is connected end to end because it's not a closed. It's not an open figure. The sum of the interior angle of the polygon with the n side is given by sum of the interior angle n minus 2 into 180. It is a formula for finding the interior angle, sum of the interior angle of any polygon. You can take any polygon. What is the formula? N minus 2 into 180. See here, if it is a triangle, what is the sum of interior angle of the triangle? Means you have to substitute n equals to 3. 3 minus 2 into 180. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 180 is the 180. Okay, this is the sum of the interior angle of the triangle. Okay, if you take the quadrilateral has how many sides? 4 sides. So 4 minus 2 into 180. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 into 180 is 360. So sum of the interior angle of the quadrilateral is here 360. And the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360. It is fixed. Now, the fourth point is the number of diagonals in a polygon with the n sides is given by number of diagonals equals to n into n minus 3 divided by 2. So, how to find out the number of diagonals in the polygon means the formula is n into n minus 3 divided by 2. We will check in the triangle. Okay, is it triangle has any diagonals? Because it's made with only 3 sides, na? 3 sides. All